guys, thanks for stopping by. Today I have a stitch fix to share with you, so let's see what my stylist sent. My name is Theresa. I'm so glad that you're here. Now let's look at these pieces together. So my stylist's name is Laura, and I went ahead and removed the crinkly paper, and this is what my bundle looks like. Right off the bat, I see some colors and patterns that I just love. These shorts on the bottom look awful short, but it's hard to tell when they're folded up. Let's see what my stylist sent together. So fun fact, when I unfolded this, I must have had it upside down, and it took me a hot minute to figure out which end was up and what it was. So I edited that part out because nobody needs to see me fumbling for 3 minutes. But once I finally got it figured out, I went ahead and put it on a hanger because I think it's going to be easier to show you the detail. I love everything about this, and I hope that it fits and it's not too long. I'm 5'4", so I just straddle that petite mark, and I don't believe this is a petite. But I love the pattern. I love the fabric. It's that baby soft blanket t-shirt knit material, and check out the detail on the back. I think that is so pretty. I love the vibrant colors, and it has a really nice plush feel to it, so it makes me think it's probably expensive. We'll go over the pricing at the end. It has a bit of a modified v-neck. It's not quite a V and it's not quite a scoop. This is definitely something that I would wear, and I'm just hoping it's not outrageously expensive, but we'll find out both in just a minute. So I went ahead and put this one on a hanger as well. I just thought you might be able to see the detail a little bit better. I love the color and I love the pattern of this. I'm very partial to a halter style, and I just hope that this hits in just the right place where with a strapless bra, the bra doesn't show through the armhole. It has this interesting detail at the top that I realize is going to be difficult for you to see right now. So when I do the try on, you'll be able to see it a little bit better. It has a keyhole in the back. And I'm hoping that this is an easy to do button, because if it's not, it could be a deal breaker for me. I just no longer have the dexterity to fuss with these little buttons that are at the neck, and I don't really ask anybody to help me. This feels like a polyester fabric, so I don't know how breathable it'll be, but if it's easy enough to get off and on, I might just keep it. I see that it's by the brand Papermoon, and I am going to put the brands and the pricing either on the screen or down below. I butcher most of them, and they're very long names, so I'd rather just talk about the pieces with you, and then we can get into the details in a minute. But I do love the color, and I love the print of this one. So 3 for 3, I thought this would hang better on a hanger as well so that I could show you the detail. This is cut very similar to the top that I just showed you. The difference that I noticed right away is that this has some give to it, so I am optimistic about that. I'm not sure how I feel about the print, which is interesting because I like all the colors individually that are in it. I like the aqua and the navy and the red. I just don't know if I like this particular print, and I'll be able to tell more once I style it with an outfit and have it on. It has the same keyhole in the back, and actually it's the exact same button. And this is made by Papermoon also, so I guess they just have a bunch of those buttons laying around. I'm curious to see how much this costs. It doesn't have anything real special about it, but I do like the fabric, so we'll see how it looks on. And I figured I might as well keep using the hangers because I do think it shows you the silhouette a little bit better. This is also by Papermoon, and this is definitely a very soft t-shirt knit. I don't know how I feel about this one. I need to see it on and I need to feel it on. It has this smocked detail. Again, it's a halter style, which I do like. Now this one has the keyhole without that fussy little clasp, which I have to say, out of the two styles, I think that this is going to be a lot easier to get on and off. It looks like it's nice and flowy and drapey. I'll be curious to see if I can do this with or without a front tuck. What do you think of this fabric? Part of me says it's pretty, and part of me says it's Nana. And I don't know if it's the combination of the floral and the smocking that's giving me that impression. Let me know what you think of this top down below. I'm really curious, and you'll see it on in just a moment. Alrighty then. I don't need a hanger for these because there's not much to them. Wow, these are Daisy Duke shorts for sure. I need to preface this by saying that I am 56 years old. And if these fit, I hope I can muster the courage to even show these to you. We'll see. If they fit, I guess I have to show them to you, but if they don't, I may have dodged a bullet. Now, I just filmed a Walmart video, and I'll link that video above, where I had a pair of shorts that were identical in length to this, but I intended to wear those around a pool with a kimono over top of them. So would I wear these on their own? No, I would not. So fingers crossed that they don't fit at all so I don't have to show you. No hanger needed for these. Well, I can't put it off any longer. We need to go over pricing. And this is the part I dread the most because I get attached to a piece and then I find out that it's $68, $78, $89, $98, and I'm just not going to pay that unless it's something really special. So let's see what the damage is. Huh. Well, shut my mouth. This is by far the cheapest Stitch Fix I have ever received. And you would think because I always send the lowest price point that would be the case all the time, but I consistently get pieces that are $68 for a top, $98 for a dress, and I just can't justify that. And if you watch any of my Walmart hauls or any of my Burlington Coat Factory or Marshall's hauls, you'll see why. This top that I have on is from Boscov's, and it's one of those mixed media. It looks just like something that a Stitch Fix would send. But I have to say, I am shocked at the price of this. And I may have to buy the Daisy Duke shorts after all, because this looks like it's a 5 for 5, which, by the way, I've never had. It would be better if I loved all 5 pieces, absolutely loved them, but I think I can take a hit on the shorts. Let me tell you the brands, the names, I'll try not to butcher, and the pricing. So the dress that I love so much, this one, is by Britton. It's the Rosa knit maxi dress in teal green, size small, $54. I think that's pretty reasonable. I'm pleasantly surprised by the price of that. Yeah, I'm definitely going to butcher this name. Papermoon Walita Cutout Detail Blouse Red, size small, $38. Not bad. And these are the Willa Distressed Fray Hem Denim Indigo, size 4, $44. That's not bad. I wish they were about 5 inches longer, but the price is good. And this one is the Papermoon Samala Halter Knit Top in purple. Didn't even call out purple when I was calling the colors out originally. Size small, $28. That's not bad either. And finally we have the possibly nana print, possibly not, Papermoon Leyna Smocked Halter Knit Top, white, size small, $28. $28 isn't bad at all in my opinion. So the subtotal is $192. The buy all 5 discount is 25% off, which would take $48 off of that. That would bring my order subtotal to $144 minus the styling fee, which I had to pay anyway, $20. The entire box for all 5 pieces would be $124. That is almost the price of one dress that I was sent in my last Stitch Fix, and if you haven't watched that one, I'll link that somewhere below. I loved that dress, but I wasn't going to pay $98 for it. This fix for all 5 pieces for $124, I have to say I am pleasantly surprised with the price points. So be sure and let me know which pieces you like. So this Stitch Fix unboxing took a completely unexpected turn for me. I have never had the elusive 5 for 5 before, and when I sat down to film this, I really thought I would find one item that I liked, I'd get that one item, apply my styling credit toward it, and send the rest back. But I think I might have a 5 for 5. Please take just a moment and comment down below, do you think this is a 5 for 5 based on what you saw with these pieces on me? And I also want to tell you that I have a niece that's 20 plus years younger than I am that wears the same size I do, so I can certainly pass these on to her. So do I have a 5 for 5? Let me know. So for my outfit of the day, I decided to wear this top because it reminded me so much of a piece that I would receive in Stitch Fix. It's a mixed material, it has polyester on the front and a t-shirt knit in the back. It has these roll cuff sleeves and a working zipper. I love the pattern, the color, and the print on this particular one. The difference is I got this one at Boscov's. Now it is from the juniors department by the brand A Buyer, so I got a size medium because a medium in juniors is really like a small in Missy's, but I paid $28.80 for it. Love, love, love it, and I know that if I received this in a Stitch Fix, it would be twice the cost, so I was happy to find this. On the bottom, I have the white capri Time and True that I talk about constantly. In every one of my Walmart videos I mention it, and in most videos that you watch of mine, I'm wearing them. I have picked these out of the laundry basket to wear over other capris that I have because they are so comfortable, such good quality, and such a great price. Thanks so much for taking time out of your busy day to spend with me. I truly appreciate it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also consider hitting that subscribe and notification bell. That way you'll see my future videos. Until next time, bye guys.